So whenever I start the video, I used to tell hello traders, how are you? So today I am not going to tell that. What you want me to tell? Nifty moving 200 300 points in one trading session. Where will option seller make money? You know, Nifty gapped up today, went to 18,200 and settled somewhere around 18,150. So the main reason was nothing but Tata Motors. So a company called TGP, I think, yeah, TGP is in the process of investing around $1 billion in Tata Motors electric division arm. So that alone took the Nifty to new heights. But you know, Tata Motors doesn't have any big weightage in Nifty 50. But I don't know what is the reason. Everything went. Even Reliance was up by 1%. You know, when crude prices are high, oil refining companies don't make money because their margin is going to be shrinking. In spite of that, it is just moving. And see the Bank Nifty. Nifty was performing, but Bank Nifty was not performing. It was almost flat. So whoever did a straddle, strangle, and fly non-direction strategy in Bank Nifty would have made money. But Nifty is different story. So this is a one-day show, and I think this is not going to continue tomorrow. I don't know what is going to happen. So let us see. Even you see US markets are really flat, and yesterday institutional activities, FIIs have sold for around 250 crores. And DIs have sold for 750 crores. All these things are happening without the support of institutions. That is what is really very surprising to me. How could do you think retailers in India have so much power? I don't know. You let me know. How can this be possible? I am kind of very cautious. I think markets are very abnormal, and I think markets are going to be reversing, or I don't know how to say this. I'm kind of I don't know how to say this. Anyway, let's see what is going to happen in the market. And you know what will happen if market Nifty moves 200 300 points, where you will make money. Nifty option seller, nobody would make money today. Option buyers would have made good money because nobody expected market Nifty moving 200 300. Yesterday Bank Nifty was performing, today Nifty is performing, so vice versa, right? So tomorrow is an expiry, and after the expiry, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, we have a long weekend. So in case if you want to take any position, you can take, but you have to remember tomorrow is a local holiday. Friday is a local holiday, not an international holiday. So if something goes wrong in the international market, if there is any big gap up or gap down, you are going to be in trouble. So you have to think about that, right? So let's see what is happening in the market. And if you see this this thing, so this is the chart of this is the market data of Nifty 50. Only Tata Motors have hit the highest circuit of around 20 points, right? And if you see the Bank Nifty was not even performing. It's kind of very flat thing was happening. Only Federal Bank was performing. Apart from Federal Bank, HDFC, Kotak Bank, RBL Bank, PNB, nothing was performing. And I was talking about the FII DI data. Yesterday, DIs have sold for around 741 crores, and FIIs have sold for around 278 crores. So all this is happening in spite of without the support of institutions. That is the key point here. You have to understand, this is not US, this is not South Korea. We are not an advanced market. We are just at a beginning stage. So you have to realize that the retailers don't have so much of power like what you think in US happened, or South Korea or Japan, any other advanced market. We don't have such an advanced market. You have to remember that. Where your stockbroker doesn't even allow you to buy sell options beyond 9 or 10 months, where we are advanced, and people tell so many things that we are volume is that this that and all they are talking. Where volume? Only in Nifty and Bank Nifty you are having volume. More than cash market segment, we are having good volume in Nifty and Bank Nifty, right? So that is these things are like abnormal. These things doesn't happen worldwide. If you see in the US also, equity to derivative ratio is very less. Japan, South Korea, advanced market, Chinese market even doesn't allow, some market doesn't even allow to trade on derivatives. So we are lucky enough, we are trading at derivatives. Even though we are not making much money, we are making so many things. We are doing circus every day, jumping here and there, doing what not to make money in the market. Still we are doing something, right? So let us see what is going to happen. So I don't want to, there is nothing much to talk about the markets. So let us see what is going to happen tomorrow. So tomorrow should be a peaceful expiry, right? So Bank Nifty was today also, it was very calm, and I expect Bank Nifty to be very calm tomorrow as well. So if everything goes well, we should be expiring between 18,000, not 18,000, 17,800 to around 18,200 levels. So as of now, I talk to you, Dow futures are down by around 47 points, 50 points. S&P, Nasdaq is positive, and let us see if things go well. We should be making having a good expiry, right? So that's about the market. And if you see the open interest, yesterday was completely different scenario, right? So yesterday we were talking that 18,000 call options were having the highest open interest, and look at the open interest chart now. So see at the 18,000 chart, how much of call binding at 18,000. So you imagine how much people would have lost money. And if you see that expiry data, so it is like kind of scattered everywhere, right? So from 17,700 all the way to 18,200, then 18,600. So people are writing calls and put simultaneously. So that really means that markets are going to be calm, right? So we have to wait and see for tomorrow what is going to happen. And if you see the Bank Nifty, same thing. Bank Nifty, there is call rating happening. See this, there is call rating and put unwinding is happening. Both call and put unwinding is happening in Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty data, historical option chain data, I'm talking about 14th October expiry. It is scattered everywhere. Strikes are scattered everywhere. So highest open interest on the call side is around 39,000. Then lowest highest put strike is at around 38,000. So and call again, there is a good call rating at around 40,000. So it's scattered everywhere. So hopefully, I believe tomorrow is going to be a peace and calm expiry if we are getting support from global